group of riders were today flagged off from Nairobi on a tour of all the 47 counties to raise funds for schools in the country.
Well, the riders were flagged off from Nairobi Chapel Ngong Road and had a stopover at Nation Center, home to Nation Media Group, which is also sponsoring the tour.
The riders will make their first stop in central Kenya and then proceed to all the other counties.
They intend to cover 10,000 kilometers in 3 months.
Funds raised from the tour will go toward funding several schools to enhance quality education.
Target is to be able to educate 1,000 students in different high schools and different universities in Kenya. So Ride 47 is the step towards seeing those different students to be educated.
Children are our future, a generation that is coming up before us, after us, of leaders. And we just ask that you all support in every little way that you can, 50 shillings, 100 shillings, towards this good cause.